Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you along with me to see this iconic landmark in Toronto. Let's see it. Just a little bit of history about CN Tower. It dates back to the early 1970s when Canadian National Railway was seeking to expand its Toronto terminal and wanted a communication tower to serve the city. The tower was completed in 1976 and was open to public. It stood as the world's tallest structure at 553 meters until 2007, which was surpassed by Burj Khalifa. Over the years, CN Tower has become a major tourist attraction. The general admission ticket price starts at $15 per child aged between 3 to 5 years and up to $45 for an adult. This admission will take you up through high-speed elevators that ascend to the main observation level and a glass floor level in just 58 seconds. People who wish to seek some thrilling moments can try their edge walk. If you wish to go to the Sky Pod, which is 33 floors higher, it is an additional $10 to the general admission. 360 guests do not need to purchase a separate admission ticket. All they have to do is just book their reservation. If each person eats to a dollar value of $75 or a child for $40, then they get to go to the main observation deck and the glass floor at no cost. Now enjoy some panoramic visuals from the main observation deck and also the glass floor level, which is going to come next. As we head out, we enter the shopping area. Just behind the shopping area, you have a small play area for the little ones. If you like this video, please hit the like button and help me grow my channel. Until next time, it's me Manoj Kumar Sundar signing off. Thank you.